equal, equal in the height. Like whom? Like that Alsatian dogs in the Edward Gibbsky. And the writer's wife changed his name from Bruno to what? His name was changed from Bruno to
Sir, Baba, I think. Baba.
yes. His name was changed from Bruno to Baba, and that is a Hindustani word meaning a small boy.
Given by his wife,
Yes, narrator's wife. Bruno की wife
narrator's
नहीं.
wife.
As he grew, it became difficult to keep him in the house. Now he had grown very much bigger, and after all, he was a bear, so he could not be kept in the house. So narrator was trying to convince his wife to give away, means to give Baba to the zoo in Mysore. He could not be kept in the house. He was kept in the chains most of the time. He left open. And I told you that that much I have taught you, no? Or not?
Yes.
Hmm. All others are not answering. No? Wickets. 2 wickets more down. Okay. Shaheem Akbar is there. Sayyid Masjid, Punjani Reza, Bas, Ismail,
Zishan.
John, Sarim, Arman, Aftab, and Basili.
Sir, Zishan
Okay.
is also there.
Yes, Zishan. We also shown your book, I know. Zishan, read this 13.
Then my son and I advised my wife and friends, advised her to give Baba to the zoo at Mysore. He was getting too big to keep at home. After some weeks of such advice, she at last consented. Hastily, and before she could change her mind, a letter was written to the curator of zoo. Did you want the tame bear for his collection? He replied, yes. The zoo sent a cage from Mysore in a lorry, a distance of 87 miles. The Baba was packed off.
Okay, so this is very easy. Only one word you have to remember, curator. Meaning is also given. You know, in the zoo, the person who takes care of all the animals, who is in charge, that is called curator. So what happened? The narrator and his wife, the narrator and his son, they both advised to the narrator's wife that we should send Baba to the zoo because he was very big now and he was a bear, so he should be sent to the zoo. So when his wife heard this, she agreed, and and a letter was written to the zoo in charge to inquire if he would like to keep a bear at the zoo. The zoo, there is a curator, the in charge, the head of that zoo is called curator. So they wrote a letter to him, and they asked him that can we send our bear to your zoo? Can we send Baba to the zoo? He affirmed, means that curator said, yes, you can send Baba to the zoo. And Baba was sent to the zoo. Which zoo? Which place? Which place is that zoo? He was sent to the Mysore Zoo, packed in a cage, kept on a lorry. Lorry is a big truck, and there was a cage. A big cage was brought for him, and Baba was packed in that cage, and he was sent to the zoo. He traveled a distance of 87 miles to reach the zoo. So the distance from the narrator's house to the zoo was 87 miles. And the Baba and that Baba was taken to the zoo in the cage, kept on the lorry. Did you all understand?
Yes.
Okay, continue reading fast. Who wants to read? Continue. Who will read it now? Next. Anyone? Am I audible?
Yes.
See, paragraph 14 I am reading. We all missed him greatly, but in a sense, we were relieved. My wife was inconsolable. She wept and fretted. For the first few days, she would not eat anything. Then she wrote a number of letters to the curator. How was Baba? Back came the replies. Well, but fretting. He refuses food too. So now what happened? Everyone missed Baba, but everyone was happy. They were relaxed. But narrator's wife was very much disturbed. She was crying and she was worried about Baba's health. That is Baba fine in that zoo? Initially, means in the beginning, she did not eat or drink. For some days, she did not even eat or drink anything when Baba was taken away. And she wrote so many letters to the zoo in charge, to the curator of the zoo, to ask about Baba's health, that how is he over there. Then that curator replied that Baba was also undergoing the same situation like her. Means Baba is also not happy. He is also sad because Baba means that bear. He is also attached with this family. So he is also undergoing the same situation like the narrator's wife. Understood, Lilia?
Yes, sir.
Then 15. After that, friends visiting Mysore were begged to make a point of going to the zoo and seeing how Baba was getting along. They reported that he was well but looked very thin and sad. All the keepers at the zoo said he was fretting. For 3 months, I managed to restrain my wife from visiting Mysore. Then she said one day, I must see Baba. Either you take me by car or I will go myself by bus or train. So I took her by car. So what happened? Do you understand now?
Yes, sir.
That restraint means stop. See, the word is given restraint means stop. And fretting. Fretting means worried or unhappy. Now, narrator's wife would ask friends, all the friends visiting Mysore, to visit Baba and check out on him. All the narrator's friends, whoever were about to go to Mysore, narrator's wife would tell them that if you go to Mysore, please check Baba. How is he? Is he okay or not? Please check out on him. Everyone gave similar report that Baba was fine, but he was thin now. He became thinner and sad. Everyone said that to narrator's wife. Whoever visited Mysore, whoever saw Baba, they reported the same thing to narrator's wife that he is okay, but he has become thin and sad. The staff, there is a staff at the zoo. There is a staff
Yes, yes.
everywhere. So there was a staff at the zoo. They said that Baba seemed worried, that he was not happy. The narrator stopped his wife from visiting the zoo for 3 months. For 3 months, narrator stopped his wife from going to that zoo. But one day, she said that I want to meet Baba anyhow. If you will not take me by car, then I will go by train or bus. And finally, means both of them, they went to see Baba at the zoo. Finally, then next paragraph. 16. What happened? See, friends, I'm reading 16. Friend said, conjectured that the bear would not recognize her. I, I had thought so too, but while she was yet some yards from his cage, Baba saw her and recognized her. He hauled with happiness. She ran up to him, patted him through the bars, and he stood on his head in delight. So, conjectured meaning is given. Conjectured means form an opinion by guessing, means कुछ सोच लेना, guess करना. That is conjectured. So, narrator's friends were there. They thought that Baba will not recognize narrator's wife because it has been 3 months. So Baba will not recognize her. पहचानेगा नहीं उसको. But and the narrator had also thought same that Baba will not recognize us. But it was surprising thing. Just when narrator's wife was few steps away from the cage, Baba saw her and Baba recognized her. He screamed with happiness. And narrator's wife, she ran up to him and she patted him. Patted, you know what is patted? Thap thapana, Pete. So narrator's wife patted him, and Baba was very happy that he met her again. Understood, Tilia?
Yes, sir.
Number 17.
Sir, can I read?
For, yes, please read.
For the next 3 hours, she would not leave that cage. She gave him tea, lemonade, cake, ice cream, and whatnot. Then closing time came with had to leave. My wife cried bitterly. Baba cried bitterly. Even the hardened creator and the keepers felt depressed. As for me, I had recognized myself to what I knew was
No, it is
going to happen next.
reconciled.
What?
It is, sorry, it is reconciled.
I
Reconciled.
had reconciled myself to what I knew was going to happen next.
Okay. So what happened over here? See, 1 second. She remained there for 3 hours. Who remained there for 3 hours?
Narrator's wife.
Yes, she was there for 3 hours. See, in the zoo, and she fed Baba. She gave food to Baba, different things which were favorite things of Baba. And now it was the time of the zoo, and it was about to be closed. As the zoo had to be closed, they had to leave. Narrator's wife did not want to leave Baba, and both of them cried bitterly. Both of them means who?
Baba and narrator's wife.
Yes. And even the zoo in charge was sad now. That curator, he was also sad looking at this too. And the narrator was fine. Narrator was not crying, he was fine because he knew that the next step would be to take Baba back along to Bangalore. Because narrator knew that now my wife will not, now my wife will not leave. Now my wife will not leave this Baba, and I will have to take Baba to Bangalore, means where the narrator's house was there. So he was sure that I will have to take Baba back with me. So he was not sad. He knew that next step will be this only. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Yes. Next, read. 18.
Oh, sir, please. She asked. The recruiter. May I
Curator.
have my Baba back? Hesitantly, he answered, Madam, he belongs to you. Sorry, Madam, he belongs to the zoo and is government property now. I cannot give away government property. But if my boss, the superintendent Bangalore, agrees, certainly you may have him back.
Okay. So you know now what happened. Same thing happened. That wife, narrator's wife, requested the in charge, वो zoo का curator था वो, in charge of the zoo. Narrator's wife requested that she wanted to take Baba back home. Narrator ने बोला वही हुआ. So that curator replied that now he is not your property. Now he is government property because he is in the zoo, in the cage. So now the bear, that Baba was government's property, and she needs to take permission from the superintendent in Bangalore because they had to take Baba back to Bangalore. So for that permission has to be taken from the head, the superintendent in Bangalore. Then only they can take him back. Continue. Number 19.
What? Number 19.
Yes.
They followed the return journey to Bangalore and a visitor to the superintendent bungalow. Sorry.
Bungalow.
A,
Hmm.
yeah, a tearful pleading. Baba and I
Pleading.
are both of pleading. Baba and I both fronting for each other. Will you please give him back to me? He was a kind-hearted man and consented. Not only that, but he wrote to curator telling
Curator.
curator telling him to lead us a
Line.
cage for transporting the beer to Bangalore.
Okay. Beer નથી હો. Bear.
Ah, bear.
Okay. Who is reading?
Sir, can I read?
હું sir, હું કહેશ?
Right now, who was reading? Right now?
Me, Arman Khan.
Hmm. Okay. I was trying to recognize voice, but online, voice changes.
Sir, can I read?
Yes, sir.
Yes, next paragraph you will read. First, I'll explain this, then you read the next paragraph. So, 19th paragraph you read. In that, what is given? Back we went to Mysore again. So, they both went back to Mysore. Who went to Mysore? The narrator and his wife. They went to Mysore again and armed with superintendent's letter. They. एक second. There followed. Sorry, they returned to Bangalore. So narrator and his wife, they went to Bangalore and they visited superintendent at his bungalow. Directly they went to the bungalow of superintendent. To take permission. She had been worrying for each other. The narrator's wife cried in front of superintendent that we are dying for each other. Baba is also dying for me. So she requested to have Baba back. But superintendent was very kind-hearted man. He was very nice person, and he accepted the request of the narrator's wife, and he wrote a letter to the zoo in charge, to the curator, that you can arrange one cage and you can give permission for transporting Baba back to Bengaluru, where narrator was living. Understood? Understood.
Yeah.
Who wanted to read?
Yes, sir. Can I read now?
Uh, Someone asked me for reading. Who had asked
Yeah,
me
it was
before
Ismail
this?
Kalwa.
Yes, you can read now. Number 20.
Who I?
You only asked me, no?
No,
Sir,
Ismail Kalwa asked me when I was reading.
Yes. Ismail, you read now. Number 20.
once Homo squad of coolies were engaged for special
20,
work
20.
in. Huh?
Paragraph 20.
मेरे में तो 21 दिख रहा है.
20 is there, see?
Okay. Back we went to Mysore again, armed with the superintendent letter. Baba was driven into a small cage and hoisted on top of the car. The cage was tied securely, and a slow and carefully return journey to Bangalore was accomplished.
So, what happened now? They got permission. They can take Baba back to home. They can take him home. So, they went to Mysore with the superintendent's letter because Baba was at Mysore in the zoo. So, superintendent had given permission. So, with the superintendent's letter, they went to Mysore and Baba was put in a cage. They had arranged the cage and the cage was kept on the top of the car. Just imagine that cage was kept on the top of that car It was hoisted on the car. It was tied very safely, very securely, and they returned to Bengaluru with that cage on the top of the car. So from Mysore, they took Baba from the cage and they went back to Bengaluru to their house. Understood, clear? Understood? You can read number 21 now. Read the next. Hello. Am I not clear? Is my voice not clear? What is wrong with you?
Your voice is clear.
Ismail, are you reading?
Sir, tell Arman Sheikh.
Yes, read. Read. Arman, are you reading or should I give it to someone else?
No, sir, I'll come in 2 minutes.
Is there anyone else who will read?
Yes, sir.
Sir, tell Arman Sheikh.
Whoever wants to read, come on. Number 21.
Yeah. Once home, once home, a squad of police were engaged for special work in our compound. An island was made for Baba. It was 20 feet long and 15 feet wide and was surrounded by a dry pit, or more, 6 feet wide and 7 feet deep. A wooden box that once housed poles was brought and put on the island for Baba to sleep in at night. Straw was placed inside to keep him warm, and his baby, the gnarled stump, along with his gun. The piece of bamboo, both of which had been sentimentally preserved since he had been sent away to the zoo, were put back for him to play with.
So here now Baba was brought back home, but there was a different arrangement for him. At their home in Bengaluru, a team of workers, coolies means team of workers was employed to execute some work in backyard. उनके घर के backyard में एक work उन लोग ने किया with the help of workers. Baba was full grown bear. Now he was a big bear. So he had to be kept isolated. He had to be kept alone. So an island which was 20 feet long, 15 feet wide was built. You know what is island? In between
Yes.
the river, there is a small island which is a big rock, a big stone. That is island. So an island was made which was 20 feet long and 15 feet wide, and Baba was kept there, isolated, at the in the backyard. It was surrounded by dry pit, खड्डा. जो dry एक pit होता है खड्डा. It was surrounded
So
by
what
dry
is meant
pit,
by isolated?
alone, separated. Is my voice clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So that island was surrounded by dry pit, which was 6 feet wide and 7 feet deep. And you must have seen islands in the zoo where the bears are kept. Have you been to the zoo? तो उनके चारों
Yes.
तरफ खड्डा होता है, so that they cannot come out.
Yes, yes.
All the sides are covered with the dry pit. It is very, very dry pit. So even the lions are kept that way. Lions will not directly reach us. इनके बीच में, like we are standing and the lions are there on that island, और बीच में बहुत बड़ा खड्डा होता है, so that if they will try to come out, they will fall down in the pit. Have you seen that? That is called small island.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So that kind of island was made for Baba. It was made like this because bear would not be able to cross the pit, and that were inhabited by the people, as it could be a threat to them. It was a threat to all the people around there, so that island was built for Baba and he was kept there so that he cannot harm anyone, and things which were used by Baba had been kept securely over there. All the things that were needed by Baba were kept there in the cage, and these were kept on the island. They were, what were the things? Wooden box was there, which was previously used to keep the cocks and hens, and would now be used by Baba to sleep in at night. He can sleep in that wooden box. So that wooden box was kept on that island. Straw was kept in the box to keep him warm, and the piece of wood which Baba cradled like a baby. Baba was playing with that piece of wood. The stick that he used to point a gun, like he used to play with that stick like a gun, that was also placed in that island so that he could play with them. All these things were kept. Wooden box was there, right? Then the piece of the wood was there, straw was kept, stick was there, all these things were kept for him. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Then read next, 22.
I only.
Yes.
The way my wife reached the island and leaves it is in. What is this? Interesting. The word it is
Let me see.
interesting.
Where, but are you reading number 22?
No, I'm sorry. I read 23rd. In a few days, the coolies hoisted the cage onto the island, and Baba released. He was delighted. Standing on his hind legs, he pointed his gun and cradled his baby.
Cradled.
Cradled his baby. My wife spent hours sitting on a chair there while he sat on her lap. He was 15 months old and pretty heavy too.
So what happened now? When the place was ready, when that island was ready, and all the sides they had made a dry pit so that Baba could not come out. खड्डा बना दिया था और बीच में आइलैंड था. So when that place was ready, the workers, all that workers, that coolies, जो workers थे, they placed the cage on the island. वो island पे रख दिया वो बाबा का cage in which Baba was there, and Baba was removed from it, and the cage was open because on that island he was alone now. He was happy to be free, like he was out of the cage, and he stood on his back legs. Hind legs means backside legs, back legs. He was standing on his hind legs, and he pointed the stick and the cradle, the piece of the wood, like he was doing before. He did the same way. He pointed his stick like a gun, and he was playing with that. Narrator's wife spent many hours with him as he lay in her lap, although he was 15 months old and he was quite heavy in weight. Still, narrator's wife spent many hours with him because that Baba, he used to lie on narrator's that wife's lap, but he was now 15 months old and he was very heavy in weight. Yes, read the last one.
The way my wife reached the island and leaves it is interesting. I have tied a rope to the overhanging branch of a mango tree with a loop and its end. Putting one foot in the loop, she kicks off with the other to bridge the 6 foot gap that constitutes the wide of the surrounding pit. The return
Wait,
journey is made the
read it.
read now. You tell me now stop
I said here it is width.
with sorry. The width of surrounding pit. The journey is made the same way. But who can say now that a bear has no sense of affection, no memory, and no individual characteristics?
So now, narrator's wife visits Baba frequently. She visits Baba every now and then, And the way in which she reaches and leaves the island is very interesting. How does the narrator's wife go to that island? Because in between all the four sides there is a dry pit. So how will she reach that island? It is very interesting thing. They have a rope tied to a mango tree. एक mango tree है वहाँ पे उसने उन लोगों ने रस्सी बांध दी है. They have tied a rope to a mango tree with a loop at one end. एक end tree में tie किया है. That that rope is tied with the mango tree from one side, and she would place one foot in the loop and kick off with the other. You know, hanging from the tree. How you hang from the tree with a rope? Like that, she kicks with one leg, and with the force, she reaches the other side with that rope. Are you getting it? How? She tries that, she ties that rope on the tree, and she kicks with one leg with a great force and swinging, holding holding that rope. She reaches the other end where Baba is there on the island. That way she reaches there. She would place one foot in the loop and kick off with the other. This way she would fly in the air and she would cover 6 foot long distance to reach the island. Understood?
Yes, sir.
She would make the return trip in the similar way. Means when she wanted to come back from the island, she would come back in the same way with the help of the rope and kicking off with one leg and flying and coming covering the 6 foot distance. And on seeing the affection shared by Baba and the narrator's wife, when you see this affection, the bond of love between these two, Baba and the narrator's wife, we can conclude the lesson that animals also have emotions. They remember people. They don't forget the people for so many years. And all of them have individual qualities. Just like human beings have their individual qualities, animals also have their individual qualities. Right?
Yes, sir. Right.
See, I got him for by accident. I got him for her by accident. Who says this?
Narrator said to his wife.
Narrator said to his wife.
Yes.
Okay. Then, are you sure narrator said to his wife or someone else?
No, he says to his wife when he reach home with that small beer.
When?
When she met means he goes to home with that beer, and his wife asks him, "How do you get it?" Then she is telling.
Okay.
Then he is telling to she.
Who do him and her refer? Him or her कौन है यहाँ पे? In the sentence, him and her.
Him is for narrator, and her is for narrator's wife.
Him is for bear. Understood?
Yes.
And what is the incident referred to here? Which incident are they talking about over here?
Sir, your voice is not
Which
coming.
incident? See, number 3. Which incident is referred to here? Which incident is that?
Means
Means what happened? Which incident? I got him for her by accident. Which accident?
when he was traveling by somewhere to Bangalore to his house. In between journey, he got someone who shot pig. Instead of pig, someone shot his mother, or yeah, his mother, and he was small, like a little baby. So he go over by running, and then he took up the baby, and then he take with it to his house.
Okay, very good. So narrator and his friends were passing through the sugarcane fields near Mysore two
Sugar
years
cane.
ago, and people were shooting at wild pigs to drive them away from their fields. So some pigs were shot while some escaped. And at that moment, a black sloth bear was there, appeared, and one of the narrator's friend shot the bear. So mother died, but she had a baby on her back. And the narrator captured the baby bear and took it to Bangalore or Bangalore to gift it to his wife. Very good, but you gave the correct answer. Then
Okay.
he stood on his head in delight. So who does he refer to?
He means the bear, Baba.
Yes, the sloth bear, Baba. Why was he delighted? Why was he happy?
What?
Why was he delighted? Means why was he happy?
I don't know that answer.
He was happy, he was delighted because narrator's wife came to see him after a long time at the Mysore Zoo.
Yeah, at that moment I threw it in. When he brings narrator that home, that time I.
We all missed him greatly, but in a sense, we were relieved. Who does we all stand for? We all were relieved, we all were relaxed.
Narrator and
We all,
narrator's wife.
narrator and his family. Who did they miss?
Me say answer is Baba.
Yes, they missed their pet, sloth bear, Baba. And why did nevertheless, why did they nevertheless feel relieved? Means, why did they felt relaxed when Baba had gone to the zoo?
Because he was very big in size and he was not sit properly in their house. So he through that he would better to go Baba's zoo.
Good. Yes, they felt relieved, relaxed because their pet, that sloth bear, had grown too big, like you said, to keep at home. He could not be kept at home, and they had found him a place. And where was his place? At the Mysore Zoo.
Mysore Zoo.
So we discussed, yes, we discussed these three, but you have to write these three also, 30 to 40 words each. So complete today itself, that is your homework, and send me the PDF. Okay? The next three also, 30 to 40 words. Any doubt?
Can you please make? Can you please send us a PDF of the answer? 30 to
Who
40
is
words.
ask? Oh, yes, who is asking?